For step 1, we will have planks 5 and 6, 5 being on the left, 6 being on the right, laid out with the pieces G1 and G2, and we need a hammer to get them into place.
Like this.
After hammering all the G1 and G2 pieces in, you'll want to flip the 6th panel. You're going to want to grab 6 A1s, 2 H screws, and 1 CL, and make sure you screw it in exactly this way. After you do, we're going to flip panel 6 back over. Now that we have all of the A's screwed in on both planks 5 and 6, we're going to grab 3 C's and 3 B's, which look just like this, the C and B's. And we're going to grab panels 2, 3, and 4 right there. And we're going to put it together on both 5 and 6.
So now you are going to tighten B in order for the different panels to stay together, numbers 2 and 5.
Now that we have completed it for side 5, we're going to repeat the same exact process for side 6. Please note that for easiest installation, you are going to want to install both the B and the C pegs for every single one before trying to slide panel 6 into 2, 3, and 4. Along with the 4 D screws, make sure that you also install 4 of the C pegs in panel 8 before screwing it in. Now I want to stage the 8 panels against the 6 using the D screws, and we will screw it into these 4 holes. Next, you will want to set up panels 1 and 9 with 6 of the A screws, the CR bracket, 2 H screws, and you're going to want to use a screwdriver. Once panel 9 is complete and you've installed 4 of the A screws, you will now need to install 8 of the A screws on panel 1. Step 8, we want to grab panel 7. We're going to want 8 of the D screws, and we're also going to want 8 of the C pegs. And make sure you install these C pegs before trying to put the panels together. Next, grab pieces 10 and the F screws. You're going to need 8 F screws and screw them into the box. Next, for step 7, we're going to want to take panel 9, place it against panels 8. Make sure you have 4 C's, which are the pegs, 4 B's, and install them into panels 8 before trying to marry up panel 9 to panels 8.
Started, but like, there's girls at my gym who are like...
Next, you will want to flip the entire case, grab panels 14 and 16 and the J screws. Step 15, we will put panel 20 and we will finish creating the drawer, and then we will use the little rollers, install them so we can finish the shelf. For step 16, we want 4 of the Q's, panel 23, and we will install the Q's right here. And after finishing step 11, step 12, you'll need panel 20, 2 of the A screws, 2 M1 screws, and M2. For step 17, we will install the N brackets using the H screws to panel 17. Once we finish that, we go to step 18 using the H screws to install inside the panel. That way we have the working door. We will install another 12 panel, indicated right here. We will use 2 H screws and then screw it into the drawer. For step 21, you will want to use a G3 as well as an I screw and screw the drawer into the sides of the shoe dresser, and then you will be able to close it. Finally, for step 22, we will install panel 12 with 2 H screws on each of the shelves, as well as the coat bracket and 2 of the P screws. And this is the last step.
And here you have it here. We have all of the drawers ready here to open. You can store so many different shoes here. We have 2 different levels for you to actually put the shoes in, which is really great. I like that it's multifunctional with that, and that it's so easy to slide in and out. You're not going to hurt yourself doing it. But most importantly, it has a really chic, nice, modern look here. Very contemporary, can fit anywhere in the house here. We have these hooks here on the side, which are really nice. Also, we have this nice drawer up here. You could put maybe socks in there, would be a good option for that. I'll probably put socks in there for me. And then right here, look at how many different layers that we have here. You can put heels there, whatever you need. You can store anything with shoes or anything else you want in there too. Otherwise, has a really nice look, is a good fit, not too big, can fit in the closet, or it can just be a nice side armoire.